see you walking away. I can't believe it's true, our love. Once a wildfire, now drowned in the dew, but I won't let it bring me down. No.